What happened? Break your chain?
Yeah, the chain came off.
How do you change it?
Yeah, right here.
You just got 2 bolts on there?
Yeah, get the 2 bolts out of here.
Uh-huh.
And I take this cover off.
Okay.
Just like that.
Oh, okay. So not too hard, huh?
Nah.
And it just came off, so you just got to get it back on, or?
Gotta get it back on. Sometimes it comes off. Let me sit down
How it
and get
looks here.
comfortable here.
Yeah.
Sometimes when it comes off,
These are nice little small
the rakers here, they get all messed up. Right here,
Yeah.
they get all shoot up because they bang against the clutch. And sometimes it's hard to put them back on, but we'll see. Sometimes the chain won't fit them.
Have to maybe bring like 8 chainsaws just in case.
Yeah, we got a bunch of saws there.
So you slide it up on top.
I'm having trouble here.
Something's stuck inside there.
The chain is all the way through. I should be able to put the bar in here and hook up the chain to it.
You're almost there.
Gets me too much trouble. I'll grab another one. I'll tell you.
It's got like little cranks in it. Looks like, huh?
Well, see the what? This is the only way to do it.
You'll go. There you go. Now you got it. And it's just a pain in the ass, isn't it? It's got a little groove that it's got to go in there, huh?
It's got a groove.
So you got to kind of slide it in there and then smush it around.
It's supposed to go in, but you see how it doesn't fit?
Yeah, all these little cranks. You got to straighten each one out to get it on. Holy shit! You almost got it. It's close.
I told you they got beat up.
I'll tell you what, that bucket really makes a difference, doesn't it?
Oh man.
That must be a nightmare when you're like, oh shit, we got to get the ladders out.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, what's going on?
I learned to trim trees way back in the 80s with Asplin, doing land clearance. That was the craziest thing I ever done.
Oh, I see their trucks all over the place. here.
Go behind your house there and take hangers over primaries. That's no fun.
This is dangerous work.
Yeah,
They say a lumberjack is like
I like
the
the bucket, but I'm more of a climber than a bucket man.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Shit. They say that lumberjacking is like one of the most dangerous jobs.
I see them guys logging out there in Oregon and stuff like that. Them boys are crazy.
But this is almost the same thing. It's got something stuck in there, a hole, I think.
Yeah, this little hole there.
That one little peg won't go in there for some reason. How do you like working for Carlos?
I know Carlos from a long time ago.
Are you originally from Cuba?
We are from the same town, even though I never met him in Cuba because I came here.
How long have you been?
40-some years ago.
Oh, you've been here for a while. Because when I first talked to you, I didn't think that you were Spanish. Because it's got a piece of something in there.
See, this is the adjusting screw.
So that adjusts
So we gotta
this?
we gotta go back with the adjusting screw. So the adjusting screw will fall into that hole. Get it?
Yeah, I see, yeah.
And we have to go back. I got to reverse it.
So you got to back it off so it'll slide down on top of those nuts or bolts.
Yeah, Carlos, we are.
So you've been with Carlos for a while, huh? I got.
He started his business back in 2000. He came from Cuba in 2000.
Yeah. He was a lawyer.
Yeah, he's a lawyer over there.
Unbelievable, huh?
Yeah, man. Being a lawyer I tell you what, man, being a lawyer in a communist country, it's a joke.
Yeah, because you
You're,
just got to do whatever they tell you.
exactly, man. I mean, you can try to defend someone as much as you can, and then the judge decides to do whatever he wants, and you really didn't do a whole lot.
So now they were trying to open Cuba up more for people to go there. What, have you gone back?
I haven't gone back in 48 years.
Do you have family there?
I got family there. I left cousins there that they're in their 50s, and they were 3-4 years old when I left.
Oh my
Get
God.
it? So I got an aunt and an uncle, and that's about all the people I know, man. Everybody else is gone. My grandparents are gone.
Well, you're only what, like 25?
Yeah. Thank you.
This
January will be 60, dude.
Oh, really? Congratulations.
Yeah.
I'll be 64.
Really?
Yeah.
You're in great shape, man.
This keeps you in shape.
I
I mean,
never thought you were that. You were over 60, to be honest with you.
well,
It's all about how you feel, how you carry yourself, man.
yeah,
You as old as you feel.
for sure.
I'm a total believer in that, and that's the way I live my life.
But you do for a living though keeps you super in good shape.
Exactly.
I mean, you
wanna
don't need to go to gym.
I want to die. I want to do this until I can't do it no more. Honestly,
You're good at it, that's for sure.
as long as I enjoy it. When I'm in pain, I don't know if I can be able to do it again. But
Do you have pain now, or
no, I don't. I'm just saying, once you start hurting really bad, because this is physical.
super physical?
Yeah.
I mean, you're out. First of all, you're out in the 90-degree heat, right?
Yeah.
All day.
That doesn't help.
I'm just amazed. Like All right, it looks like we're getting there, huh?
I just hate to give up on a chainsaw.
All right, it looks like we got her on
See
there.
how we're stretching this chain?
Yeah, interesting. So as you do that, it stretches it and tightens it in to that groove.
I don't want to get it too tight,
It has to be a little bit loose, huh?
because I want it to swing. I want it to get started up now.
So it's still,
And
is it still too loose here?
see,
Or?
the problem is, yeah, it's still too loose.
So we got to get a little bit tighter. So as you're tightening this, it's pulling it in.
Exactly.
With this nut here,
But
this screw?
this is what we're gonna do. The problem is, once the chain comes off like that, this here gets all beat up
Oh, I see.
with
Wait,
the clutch.
let's
so
see how
we'll
she
see.
works.
Started when I was 19 years old.
Oh, did you? So your kid's 40?
I got a boy 40.
Wow.
Unreal. Where did the years go?
I don't know, man. That's what I was asking myself this morning when I got up. I thought it was 18, but
What
it wasn't.
happened? I'm not ready to be 60 years old. How does it feel?
I know, is that crazy? Yeah, I don't feel like I'm old.
That's right.
I feel like I'm like 18.
Damn right. That's the way you gotta feel. Damn right. My daddy's getting old. My dad's 87.
My dad's 88 this year.
Wow, just a year older.
Yeah,
He was born in 31, huh?
yeah.
My dad's 32. And this guy, skinny like me, walking every day.
That's the key, man.
Strong, he don't
I mean,
stop.
look how good shape you're in. All right, we're looking good.